Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of seasonal decorations with a standout item that's been making waves this Halloween. If you're looking to elevate your spooky decor game, look no further than the best Halloween wall decal available on the market. It's not just a decoration, it's a statement piece that transforms any space into a haunted haven. Let's take a closer look at what makes this wall decal so special. First, the design. It features intricate details that capture the essence of Halloween. Think classic ghosts, wicked witches, and eerie pumpkins. The artwork is vibrant and eye-catching, ensuring that your decorations will be the talk of the neighborhood. It's the perfect blend of spooky and fun, appealing to both kids and adults alike. Moving on to quality, this decal is crafted from high-quality PVC, ensuring durability and longevity. You won't have to worry about it peeling or fading, even after multiple uses. It's designed to withstand the test of time, making it a worthwhile investment for your Halloween decor collection. Plus, it's easy to apply and remove, allowing for hassle-free decorating without any damage to your walls. Now, let's talk about versatility. This wall decal can be used in various spaces, whether it's your living room, hallway, or even outside on your porch. Its large size makes it a focal point, but it's also available in different configurations to suit any space. Want to create a spooky scene? You can mix and match different elements to craft your perfect Halloween atmosphere. Applying the decal is straightforward. Just peel, stick, and smooth it out. No need for complicated tools or messy glue. And when Halloween is over, it peels off cleanly without leaving any residue. This means you can enjoy your spooky decor for the season and easily switch back to your everyday style afterward. In conclusion, if you want to create an unforgettable Halloween ambiance, this wall decal is your best bet. With its stunning design, durable materials, and user-friendly application, it ticks all the boxes for a top-tier seasonal decoration. Don't miss out on making your space a haunting masterpiece this Halloween. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique today. If you're excited about this Halloween wall decal, be sure to check it out and let us know in the comments how you plan to use it in your home. And don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and tips. Until next time, happy decorating!